Today is October 23 and I'll be doing day 10 of the Russian fighter pull-up program. So for today, that looks like a set of 11 pull-ups, then 10, 10, 9, and then 8. So for today, we're adding 1 rep on the third set. It's getting spicier and spicier. And it's really a good challenge. So first set, 11 reps. Let's see how I'll do. More. That's it. 11 reps. Done. A bit of a hold at the end of at the top of the last rep. So there's an update about having the thumb below the bar. It hurts my thumb here, exactly at the joint. My hand is small, so whenever I try to put my hand, like my knuckle, forward so that it's above the bar, it's hard to wrap my thumb around the bar, and I don't know, there's soreness on this spot right here, so not sure if I will, but there's none here at the other side, so it's weird. Maybe I need to fix my grip further. I'll try to play around. I don't know why this one doesn't hurt, this one hurts. Yeah, maybe if I review the video, I'll get some clues about it. Anyway, that's the first set, so I'll come back later for my second set. Minimum of 15 minutes rest, so maybe for today I extend it to 18 to 20 minutes. Yeah, let's just see if that would work better to get the 10 reps. I'm really trying not to have that pause before the last rep. Yeah, so I pause because I feel like I'm gonna fail if I continue. So, but yeah, I really try not to pause on this next one. Yeah, let's just see. Set number 2, going for 10 reps. Yes. I still needed to take a rest while hanging, but I was able to go all the way up and do my 2-second hold. So I'm happy with that set. Next set will be another 10 reps and another 20-minute rest. This is my third set. I'll be doing 10 pull-ups. Kinda lost track of the time, so I've been resting for more than 20 minutes. Oh man. that last one was terrible. Kasi my thumb hurts again. Anyway, oh, I fell short on that one. So I think the longer the rest time, the more my body wants to just end the session. I don't know. I don't know. So I had plenty of rest, but still the last rep kinda feels like I fell short on that last rep. So anyway, I'll count it because I got to the top. Not so clean, but it's not a total failure. So next rep would be 9 reps, and I mind the rest time, so maybe my body is too cold on that last set. I don't know. See you on set number 4. Set number 4, I'll be doing 9 pull-ups after about 18 minutes rest. I think that's a fail. Couldn't get all the way up. And that sucked, man. I should have rested. Before doing that last rep. Should have paused. So yeah, lesson learned, don't push it. I felt that I could do with a rest, but I pushed, so fell short spectacularly. So that sucked. So anyway, last rep would be 8 reps, and hopefully I can do the way I did my 8 reps this set. So just continues. Really feel bad about that last rep, man. I can't believe it. Incredible. Alright, so this is my 5th set, our last set for today, and we have 8 pull-ups coming up. Another ugly rep. Not so clean, but I think I got over the bar on that one. So that's it for today. I'm thinking next week, since I'll be starting with 12 reps, and my break would be on, my rest day would be on Saturday, and then Sunday would be the start of the block 3 with 12 reps, and it's also I think we'll have a Will Fit session on Sunday, so I'm thinking of doing it greasing the groove style. So hopefully I can start in the morning or after lunch, and then just do like 1 set every hour or something. Yeah, and I still don't know for Monday how I'll do it, and on Tuesday if I need to take a break. I probably need it. I probably need it. Maybe I'm overtraining, I don't know, because I'm reaching my failure now. So I'm reaching the point of failure, and I think they say that, you know, if you keep reaching your failure, it really takes a longer time for your body to recover. So yeah, I think that's the strategy for block 3. Do it greasing the groove style, like super plenty of rest in between sets. Yeah, let's see if that would work better than what I've been doing. But yeah, so far this week I think it's not too bad. I mean, even if I'm reaching failure, I think that also helps build strength. So yeah, if I do it greasing the groove style next week, and you know, if I work from home, then it'd be easier to sneak in the reps. But it would be tough if I work in the office, because I can only do my workout after work. Anyway, it is what it is. Let's see. Yeah, just roll with it, right? So thank you for joining me for today. C'est tout pour aujourd'hui. À la prochaine.